Ben Collins provided us with a way to have a calendar year in progress count-off in Google Sheets that requires no manual updating as the year progresses, or even changes to the sheet to use it next year. The first step is to set up your spreadsheet with these column headers. Today's date, first day of year, last day of year, days gone, days remaining, percent year gone, and percent year remaining. Note: because of formulas, it doesn't matter what columns you use. Let's click into the cell below, today's date, and type the following formula. Equals, today, left parenthesis, right parenthesis. Note, too, that this is cell F2. When we click into this cell, the formula bar previews the date it is going to input. With the formula for today's date in cell F2, press enter. Trust me, cell F2 shows today's date, that is when I made this tutorial. Click into cell G2 under, first day of year, and type this formula. Equals, date, left parenthesis, year, left parenthesis, today, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, comma, 1, comma, 1, right parenthesis. In this formula, the date function takes year, month, and day number inputs and outputs a valid date. The year function extracts the year number from a date. Cell G2 shows the first day of the year from today's date. Click into cell H2 under, last day of year, and type equals, date, left parenthesis, year, left parenthesis, today, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, comma, 12, comma, 31, right parenthesis. Cell H2 shows the last day of the year from today's date. Ben has helped us set this up so that G2 and H2 will roll over to 2025 automatically. The formula for days gone is today's date minus first day plus 1 to account for today. Type equals F2 minus G2 plus 1 in cell I2. Click into cell I2 and look in the formula bar to see that the preview result of days gone is 78. Press enter to accept that formula. So we know that 78 days have already passed this year. Time flies. Click into cell J2 under, days remaining in the year, and type equals, H2, minus, F2. Click into cell J2 and look in the formula bar to see that the preview result of days remaining is 288. Remember, 2024 is a leap year. That's why 78 plus 288 equals 366. Not 365. Press enter to accept that formula. What we haven't accounted for is an easier way to identify how much of the year is gone, and how much is remaining. That's where the percentage formula helps. In cell K2, type equals, I2, slash, 365. For long-term continuity, I've kept a 365-day year. Click into cell L2 and look in the formula bar to see that the preview result of percent of year gone is 21%. Press enter to accept the formula. Type the formula for the percent of year remaining in cell M2. Equals J2 slash 365. Click into cell M2 to see that the formula bar shows 79% remaining for the year. Press enter to accept this formula. For some of us, it's easier to understand that 21% of the year is gone rather than 78 days. But Ben tells one more way to visualize what's gone or remaining using a sparkline formula. I've added another column, and in it you can type year's progress via separate formulas. This just means that all of those other formulas helped us use a sparkline formula to dynamically show the time that's passed and the time remaining. Type the formula. Equals, sparkline, left parenthesis, I2, colon, J2, comma, left curly bracket, quotation mark, chart type, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, bar, quotation mark, right curly bracket, right parenthesis, into cell K2, and press enter. Now the 21% and 79% are easily envisioned in the sparkline bar chart in cell K2. Then Ben shows us that we didn't need all of those separate formulas and calculations to create that same sparkline bar chart. Sure, now he tells us, LOL, for our example, click into cell K6. Copy this formula into your clipboard. In cell K5, type year's progress via 1 formula, and using Ctrl+V, paste the formula in your clipboard into cell K6. That single let formula in cell K6 made the same bar chart that the prior 5 formulas did for cell K2. Thanks to Ben Collins, you now know 2 ways to create a dynamic date function that updates automatically when the year changes. That's it, you're done, but wait. 24 hours later. Just to show you the automatic update, here's the next day automatically updated.